in this part of the video, I'm gonna show you how the HTAnalysis app works. First of all, let's connect the IV400W or Solar IVW directly to our iPad through Wi-Fi connection. In Wi-Fi connections in the iPad menu, we can find Solar IV now here as a standard Wi-Fi connection actually, and we have just to press here as a normal Wi-Fi connection, and then after the connection is done, we can go directly into the HTAnalysis. Okay, instruments detected. So we just press here to find the instrument, let's say a live instrument, and then we press here, and then we can find the IV curve test, IV test, which is a fast check of a VOC and ISC check, and then the instruments modules DB, because we can manage even the database of the modules directly from the iPad. So let's download some measurement. We have plant 1 and plant 2 that we already gave a name on the IV400 before. So plant 1, now the curve is downloading. And then we can give a name, IV curve 1. Save. Okay, here we have everything about this measurement campaign. Then let's download even the second one, IV curve 2. Now we can come back on the curves, and here we have the plant 1 that we downloaded before, and we can find, for example, measure 1, measure 2, measure 3. Each measure is an IV curve. So let's test the 1. So IVSTC is our IV curve measured, already compared with the standard conditions. So the calculation compared with the manufacturer data is already done by the app. So for example, here we have STC, which is this curve. Then we can put in the graph IV nominal, which is the nominal curve from the manufacturer. So without any calculation, it's just a standard curve from the manufacturer. So as you can see, here we have some delta, so some difference that actually we can find some values. Even here, for example, where we move the cursor here. And then also we can press I, like info. And here we have all the data about the measure. And it's really pretty lot of stuff here. One of the most important parts of this point of the app is that you can attach a video, record a vocal comment, attach a photo, or write a text note. Each text note, each video, each audio recorded, each photo is available on your PC after you've uploaded everything on HT Cloud, and you can find a button here. Why you should upgrade everything on HT Cloud? HT Cloud is a platform that we developed to make you able to collaborate with your team. For example, let's say I have my colleague in New York City and you are in Los Angeles. So you make your measurements in Los Angeles, and then your engineer team is in New York City. Let's upload the measurement on HT Cloud, and immediately this measurement will appear on the top view software or on another tablet or smartphone with the same account. This is a pretty important thing, because if you use correctly, if you use properly HT Cloud, you don't waste your time anymore with the difficult way to send the measurement to difficult software or something like that. The other important part is that you can compare also the measurements, and also you can compare two different measurements from two different periods. Like, I've done these measurements today, and I've done this other measurement, this one, 2 weeks ago, okay, or let's say 2 months ago. Okay, now I have two measurements on the same graph, and I can compare also the power. So let's say, for example, power STC with the maximum power point here, and then you have now the complete data to say something about, okay, this module is not okay, or maybe this string is not okay, or this plant needs more maintenance, or let's just clean the panels, and etc. Okay, now let's say, okay, we just saw our measurements. Okay, so now I have to maybe to find the solution, but you know, it's not really easy to find the solution when you just see an IV curve. So this is how HTAnalysis helps you to find the more common problems. Like here we have like a wiki, let's say wiki, with, for example, this kind of a curve. We have two curves, like this is the black one is so the first one over the top is the manufacturer curve, and the one below is our measured curve. So let's say, for example, that I have this kind of curve, and now the app tells us which kind of problem we may have. Smaller partial shading of one module of the string under test, reflections, random or environmental combinations like dirt, snow, and etc. Strong current mismatch, or crack or cell, or burn masks, or something like that. So here with Wiki you can find the more common problems, and will be very easy to find your solution.